Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so let's understand a few things before we could answer this. So this is H. We have a matrix here, and this matrix is called H. So it has got the following entries: A, B, C, D. Okay, and we've got G here. Matrix G has got E, F, G, and H there. Okay, so I've got these two matrices. Now, when you see that you've been given HG, that find HG, it means they want you to multiply this matrix by this. So, of course, you write it like this. You start with the matrix that is right here, starting, okay? You come and put the other matrix this side. Hopefully, you can see the order. The way it is here, that's the way it must be this side. So when multiplying there, you're going to multiply the row by the column. So the rows are these. In this direction, these are rows. In this direction, these are columns. So rows, columns. Okay. So now you go with the first entry. This entry here will be multiplied by this plus the entry that follows will be multiplied by this. It means you're done. So that's why it's very important to have to note that a matrix can be multiplied if the entries in the column are equal to, in the row are equal to the entries in the column. So if you see, this is 1, 2. So even here, it's supposed to be 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. This is the, 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 the row. So the number of entries in the row, 1, 2, must be equal to the number of entries in the column here, 1, 2. Okay? So when we multiply here, it will definitely give us A times E. So A times E, it's AE. Okay, so hopefully you're able to see nicely there. And here, when we say B times G, actually here we're supposed to say plus B times G. It will be BG. So meaning we're done with this and this. We come to the same row here multiplied by the other column here. So it will be A here will move with F, B with the H. So it will be B, actually A, F plus B, H. So when you say A times F, it's A, F. B times H, it's a B, H. Okay, so we're done there. We even put the brackets like that. Next, we come to this one. So this one, it will act the way this one was acting. Okay, it will be multiplied this by this. When we're done, we come to the same by this. So it will be C times E. That is C, E. Okay? And then we say plus D times G. That's D, G. We are done. Okay? And then space C times F. That's C, F. Plus D times H. That's D, H. Okay? So we are done at this point. Multiplying this by this. So now this same idea must be applied for us to answer the given question. Okay? So here, in the given question, we have AF. They have given us the matrices, different matrices. So we have A, actually AB, not AF, AB, that we need to multiply. So we shall have our A. Where is our A? Always start with the matrix that is starting here. You can't start with writing these entries. We're starting with A. So get your A there. That's 4, 8, 2, 1. And then you say multiplied by B, which is 0, 1, 2, and 3 there. So the same concept there, we're going to say 4 times 0. Remember, let me remind you what we did. This was multiplied by this. And then we say plus this by this. Okay. So we're going to say 4 times 0. That will give us a 0. Or let me write so that we follow all the steps. Equal to 4 times 0. Okay, so say 4 times 0, these will move together, and then we say plus 8 times 2, so that's 8 times a 2. Space. Once you reach here, you have a space, so that you start with the other column. So maybe the question may be, at which point do we space? Immediately you finish multiplying all these, you have to space, because you're going to the next column, so space. So this is this, and 8 will move with 3. So that will be 4 times 1. Okay, then we say plus 8 times a 3. Then we close like that. Okay, I think it's straightforward, easy, and understandable. Okay, everybody can understand this. So now from here, we are done. If you can see, this has been multiplied by all these entries. We now go to the next one. This will move with this. This with this, just like that. So it will be 2 times 0. 2 times 0 there. And then we say plus 1 times 2. 1 times a 2. We are done with the column here. We go to the next column. So immediately we move to the next column, we space up. So this with this, this with that. Okay, so that will be 2 times a 1 plus 1 times 3. 1 times a 3 there. Okay, so that's it. So now at this point, we just now need to clean up our work. We're now cleaning up our work. So it will be equal to, here we're getting a 0 plus here 16. Okay, we come to this one, we're getting a 4 plus, here we're getting a 24. Okay, here we're getting a 0, here we're getting a 2. Here it's a 2 plus, here it's a 3, and we close like that. Make sure your multiplication is properly done, or your addition at this stage, since we're adding now, your addition must be properly done. You're almost done. This is the last part of working out. So having a 16 there, a 2 there, a 28, and a 5 there. So now this is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. To those who have not yet followed me on my Facebook page, follow me on my Facebook page and TikTok, the same name that you're able to see, Jacob Isichamba, Online Math. And remember, we've opened a tuition center in Ndola. Okay, the tuition center is in town, Ndola town, near at Provident House, near Zanaco West Branch. There you will find us, and if you'd like to get in touch with us for online and physical tuitions, this is a number that you can definitely do. WhatsApp 096-917-5701. Okay, WhatsApp this number, will be able to respond back to you. Bye-bye.